All right, I just got this. Let's unbox it. I have no idea what it is. I'm going to be surprised. Oh, look. Nothing else in the box. Are you ready? Unveiling. Ta-da! Wow, check it out. It is a water cup, and it's got this thing on it. And it's just kind of like those. Oh yeah, look at this. And then you go like that, and you get your drink thing, and that goes like that. And this pops, I think, this way. Oh no, maybe you just turn it. Oh. Oh, it's got, check this out. It's got a straw in it. And it's like thermal, right? So you put your drink in here. And this is nice. I'm going to use this. This is finally something good that I got. I like it. All right, yeah, then you just go like this. Screw it on. And bam, now you can carry it. Or you can put this down and just hang on to it like that. You got the thing so you can stick it in your car. And again, this goes like that. And I think this pops off. Yeah. So there you can drink it out of that side too. Or put your straw through it. So yeah, it's got a couple different options for you. It's got that, let's drink it this way. Or pop that side. Bam. And it won't spill once you put it back on. And you can carry it around like this. So this thing is awesome. Highly recommend. Would totally get one of these if I was you. Peace out.